Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video. In this video we are going to learn how to search and download research articles, review articles and book chapters free of cost that are otherwise paid. If you are a student or scientist, you must have came across the difficulty of downloading scientific articles. Today, me, Dr. Bookworm, is going to solve this issue by providing you two sources by which you can search and download research articles, review articles and book chapters totally free of cost. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships and exchange programs abroad. So let us begin with today's video. First of all, if you are a science student, then you should have two friends in your top priority list. First one is Google Scholar and the second one is Sci-Hub. So we are going to discuss these two tools today. First of all, Google Scholar is the best search engine which you can use to search your articles, scientific articles including research articles, review articles and book chapters. So there are many instances when you come across to find certain stuff in science, and Google Scholar is the best way to do so. So let me find out something related to my field. So you can type a keyword to search for a particular type of article. So when you type a keyword, Google Scholar performs a search and all the articles from different journals appear in front of you, and you can also customize your search by year. The best advantage of doing research on using Google Scholar is that you can keep track or record of your research. Like if I click 2018 and I have this keyword, then I can make sure that I have gone through all the articles that have been published in the particular topic within that year. So I can create a separate folder in my laptop mentioning 2018 and the topic, and can save all the articles in that particular folder. Then I can move to 2019 and download the relevant articles and save them in the separate folder. So you can arrange your data in a very good order using Google Scholar. Otherwise, if you go to one by one in each journal and download the article, you cannot keep the track of your data. Also, you can select review article here if you are only interested to search the review articles to study and not the research articles. So Google Scholar is very helpful in reaching out and managing your research data. So let us open one of the articles. So here this article is of bioresource technology, which is a very prestigious journal, but if we want to see the PDF or want to download it, it does not show us the option. It is saying to purchase this PDF file that would cost us like $36, right? So being a student, you cannot afford to pay such a high fee to download a review article. So what you should do, you can simply copy this link and open the Sci-Hub website and paste the link here. So you can do three things. Either you can paste the URL, you can enter the PMID or DOI of your article. So to find out the DOI of your article, you can see here is the DOI of the article. So you can either paste the URL or the DOI, or if the PMID is available, then that can also be used. So the latest, so we can paste it here. The latest domains that of Sci-Hub that are open right now are scihub.se, scihub.st and scihub.ru. So you should know that the Sci-Hub is actually a third-party website that provides the scientific literature free of cost from the journals that are otherwise paid. So as most of the journals are against Sci-Hub, so they block it after some time, and different new extensions of Sci-Hub are generated after some time. So right now these three extensions are working, so you can save one of them to download the articles. Simply after pasting your link, you can click enter, and here you have the PDF of your review article. So once it is loaded, here you have the option of download. You can click on download to save this file, right? So it is a very easy way to download the articles that you find on any journal or Google Scholar or anywhere else on Google. So Sci-Hub is a very good partner of science students. So this was all about today's video. I think you have got useful information if you are a student. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.